Hey guys, welcome to Nature's Therapeutic and also welcome to George Snow Park. And today, this video is mainly for the kids. If you got children, you're welcome to take them here probably. You know, this is a nice environment for kids. They have a playground, and guess what? They have a story walk. They have a nature trail with books that they change on the signs, and it's very interesting. So we're gonna take a walk and see what they got going on here. Let's see where it's going to start. Aha. So it looks like I'm going to follow this arrow that's on the cement over here. And it says, this way to Story Walk. So let's see, shall we? It's a rainy day, folks, but you know it don't stop wild, man. I'm still out here, so let's see what this place has for the children. Looks like a very nice environment. Very nice. Aha. Let's start here. Let's see. I don't see an arrow. But let's find out. Looks like it might start here, guys. This place is pretty good. They have overheads where you can eat at. Which way should I start? This way or this way? I have a tennis court. I think I'm going to start this way, folks. If this is the right way, it probably goes in a circle, so we shall find out. Pretty wet today. It's been raining off and on. As you can see, the sidewalk is wet. And pretty cool that they have a sidewalk, so I'm not walking really in mud. Not that it bothers me, because you know me, guys, I like to venture off into the woods anyway half of the time. So, and that type of stuff doesn't bother me. Especially me wearing boots and all, so. One thing I can tell you is pretty cool back here. Feels amazing. Lots of shade. That's a good thing. You know, it's pretty nice. I'm sure it's a mosquito environment, but mosquitoes don't really bother me that much. And I recently just started spraying mosquito repellent on me, but normally I don't. I'm the type of person, as I said in other videos, I really don't feel mosquito bites most of the time until the next day. That's when I'm running around looking for the witch hazel to put on me. It's pretty good. It soothes the bites and, stops any type of maybe infection or anything that can come. Witch hazel is good for mosquito bites, if you didn't know. You can use rubbing alcohol too, because it's a form of alcohol, but witch hazel is a lot better for it. Ooh, got a branch hanging over here. Pretty quiet back here, folks. Pretty quiet. That, my friend, looks like a mango tree up and coming. The wind is amazing here. And like I said, this actually, looks like a nice place to bring your children if you want to walk safely. There's no gators in this park or nothing like that. There's not even a lake, so only thing you're probably going to witness here is maybe some turtles, frogs, probably a few snakes, Maybe not poisonous, but you know, this is Florida. You always want to watch out for the more colors, the more poisonous. You know, so gray racers and things like that. You know, you probably won't have to worry about those things. They zip right past. They don't even want to be bothered. And everybody pretty much knows gardener snakes and grass snakes are harmless. But I don't think you will witness anything like that during the daytime here. It's a lot of brush and wooded areas for them to stay on. They're not going to really hang out on the path. The water has dropped this a little bit, so I'm going to have to work my way around it. And this is close to a residential area. So I guess, you know, they come here with the kids and walking through here a lot, you know, storytelling. It's not a long trail at all, but I'm going to show, you know, what's here for the kids. And then I'm going to cross over to the other side. And I've seen, this is the playground area. And I'm going to cross over, see what's on the other side, folks. It's not going to be a long video. I wanted to do something for the kids in case you guys may have kids out there. You want to find something to do with your children. This is a nice place to bring them. Or you can just release them. It's fenced around, as you guys can see. You know, release them, sit back, and then let them watch, let them play. So, we're going to cross over the parking lot. We're going to go through the other side. I see, looks like another path. Oh no, that's the path actually I took on the other side already. So yeah, we're gonna go this way. And here you are, folks. City of Boca Raton. All right, folks, this is the path. This is the story time. So they had one trail just to walk on, and this is the story trail. Each little thing will have their sign. So welcome to Story Walk. We're here, folks. October 11th, 2001. This has been here. Let's walk it, shall we? We're going to follow the arrows. Well, you would think it's raining, but it's not, because the wind is kind of blowing the trees and making the water come down. Let's take a look at here before we join it. Here's one of the arrows to start the walk, folks. So I'm sure this will go in a circle. It's a jungle here, that's what it says. Choose your journey. Raccoons and squirrels. I figured it would be something like that. They have the saw palmetto too. Interesting plant. So we're gonna start the journey, folks. Here we go. First one. Here are some vehicles and gear that you will see in this book. See if you can find them on the pages as you read the story. This is good for your children. Very good. All right. And I'm gonna let this video go past the 15th mark since it's for the kids, because I don't know how long this is. It can go over 15 minutes or under, but we shall see. Here's another, folks. Look at this. Have you ever heard a loud fire truck siren make a loud noise like a siren as you run to the next page? That's pretty cool for the kids. Uh-oh, looks like we got some work being done up here. They got a cone, a little cement damage probably from the water here. Weather conditions crack cement a lot. Nothing to be alarmed about. At least they have a cone letting you know. And we have another sign. They're everywhere, folks. What kind of animal is a firefighter? Jill, rescuing on this page. How many other firefighters are there to help her? Wow, so your kids got to figure out all of this. You know, count the firefighters and move on to the next one. Here we are. Point to the number 45 on the firehouse. Now point to the building that is on fire. Do you think Jill and the other firefighters can get there quickly? What do you think, children? I'll let you come and figure it out. All right. Beautiful back here. Look at this. Oh, guys, they have off trails. And I don't want to go off the trail because I want to finish the story for the little kids. Oh, this is tempting already. You know, when I see an off trail, I just zip out. Nothing to talk about. Here we are again. Pretend to slide down the fire pole. Now pretend to put on your fire helmet so you will be ready to help. Alrighty. That's right, kids. Pretend. Never try to take on the fire. You pretend. First thing you want to do is get out. Get out the way. Go get help. All right, here's another one. Pretend to jump into your boots. Oh, wow, you're jumping in your boots, kids. And don't forget to grab your mask and the other gear. Run to the next page to see if they are now on their way to the fire. All right, let's see if they're on the way. Do they got the sirens going? What do you think, children? They got the sirens going? Let's find out. Let's see. Uh-oh, here we go. I see it. Here we go, guys. It looks like it is. Cover your ears because the horn is so loud. Now pretend to drive the fire truck like Jill as you walk to the next page. Wow, guys. Let's see what's going on. Looks like they're in pursuit. Let's see what's going on. Is this fire getting bigger? Are they going to be able to put this fire out, guys? Let's find out. Uh-oh. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Do you see that they hooked the hose to the fire hydrant to get water? Pretend to hold tight the hose while you are putting out the fire, the big fire. Wow, guys, they're putting out the fire. They're putting out the fire. See what's going on. Hope everybody's all right. Let's see if they put out these fire, guys. Let's see if they put it out. What do you think, folks? I think they put it out. What do you think? Huh, children, what do you think? Who thinks they put it out? Here we go. Let's find out. Count how many firefighters helpers. Jill has now. Would you like to climb the ladder super high like the firefighter here? Wow, who wants to climb the ladder? Look at that smoke at the top, guys. They're putting out the fire. Great job, guys. They're putting out the fire. All right. Let's see what's going on next. Aha. Here we are. Let's see what happened next, guys. Can you find and point to the X in the picture? What other special gear are the firefighters wearing and carrying to help them? Look at that, folks. You see what they have? What other things do they have to help them? Aha. They're crawling to stay down from the smoke. You should always stay low when there's a fire to avoid the smoke. Smoke rises. You crawl to get out of the harm's way, and you get out of that place. All right, guys. Look at this. Who else do you see has shown up now besides the firefighters? Why do you think they are there? What do you guys see there? What do you see, guys? That's right. You see the police, and it looks like news reporter. Yeah, great job, guys. All right, let's move on. Looks like they got that all handled. What do you think? Who started the fire, guys? Let's talk about that. How did that fire get started? I hope no one was playing with matches. You shouldn't play with matches. All right. Here we are. What do you think Jill and the other firefighters are going to do now that they are back at the firehouse and cleaned up? What do you think they're going to do, guys? Are they going to celebrate? Are they going to have a sandwich? Huh? What do you think? What do you think, guys? All right, let's find out. Would you guys like to be a firefighter and drive a huge fire truck when you grow up? If you don't want to be a firefighter, what would you like to be? So, guys, what is it that you want to be? What is it? That was a great story, guys. I hope you guys liked the story. That pretty much ended the story. But you know what? We're going to take a walk on that little trail that I seen. Oh, you thought I forgot? No, I didn't forget that. We're definitely about to go into the woods. You guys learned about fire today. How about we learn about a little bit more nature today? You guys like that? Let's find out. I'm going to have to gallop back to where I seen that open trail. I'm sure it's not long, but I just want to see what's inside of it, even if it's nothing but 20 feet of walking. You guys remember the orange cone? It's always good to remember your surroundings and your spots, guys. Even if there's a fire in your house, know your house, know your areas where to go, know where the exit is. Stay low. Make sure you have batteries in your smoke alarms. Let your parents know if you hear your smoke alarm beeping throughout the day. You know, a lot of you parents don't even change the batteries for your kids. You know, you want to do that. I mean, come on, they even sell batteries at the dollar store, and they actually work. They're actually made, actually those cheap batteries are made for little controls and clocks and fire alarms. Other little toys, they really not for. You know, they're not gonna make your children's remote control car play all day, you know, move around. Okay, guys, here we are. Lots of palmetto here. Is this what this area is? All right, let's see what's going on here. This is definitely, this could be definitely Coyote City in here. Might be a den somewhere in here, folks. I am off trail. There's nothing like the good smell of being off trail. You like that? Let's say it again. There's nothing like the nice smell of being off trail. Oh, this is nice, folks. Look at that. I feel like Tarzan in the jungle. Look at these beautiful, tall pine trees. See that, guys? They just soar up. A lot of the stuff you're seeing has been here before the natives. That's a long time. Oh, wow, we got two different trails going on here, folks. I'm excited. I don't know which way to go. You know what? I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. There have been people back here camping before or something. You can see that looks like that's been burnt. And that's not a good thing, folks. You don't set fire in the wood without having rocks around it, a bucket of water, and away from any type of trees, brush, and bushes, especially if they're really dry. You could start a forest fire. You don't want that. So someone didn't know what they were doing. Never smoke or play with any matches in the forest. You can cause a huge fire. You will kill animals. You will hurt the environment. Very nice trail. I hope your children enjoy this video. I hope the adults enjoy this video. Everybody can learn something. I don't know why I feel like Mr. Rogers today. I feel like singing a song. It's such a great feeling to know you're... I'm joking, guys. Very nice. Nice tight trail too. This is really tight. I like it like that. And this looks like it goes into an open area. Of course, I might get lost in here. But hey, I like being lost in the woods. Normally I find all type of things. I mean, are you really lost in your own world? Are you really? No. Actually, there's way too many devices to be lost nowadays. You can use maps on your cell phone to get back to where you were. And all type of things. They have just trails going everywhere. But I'm gonna take this way. I'm gonna take this way, guys. There's another one going that way. This is a maze. Will I get lost in a maze today? I love mazes. How about it, guys? This maze is amazing. But I know what I'm going. I'm really going in a circle, guys. That's why I keep going the way I'm going to get back on path. Always remember, if you're going in a circle, that's how you're going to come back if you're lost. 9 times out of 10. But if you're going to continue straight on and turn left and turn right, you're going to get lost. So try to either turn around or either go in a circle. Now you should find your way back. See? We're back to the storybook walk. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Hope you guys enjoyed it all. I wanted to do something for the kids today. I hope the parents will actually show their kids the video, because this might be a place, I think it'll be a place they'll like to come to. Gives them the chance to interact, read each sign. Can't wait to get to the next sign, and see beautiful nature as they're doing it. Because I'm sure this place is even more beautiful when it's not raining or things like that. Looks like we have a visitor, guys. How you doing?
Really great.
I love it. I've been walking off trail, on trail. I even read the kids' stories. Beautiful place.
It is.
Enjoy your walk, sir. All right, thank you. All right. We have an elder, looks like an old veteran, and he's going to enjoy his walk with his dog. So guys, with that being said, I had a wonderful time with you guys. I hope your parents bring you, or that you guys watch this video. Always remember, nature is therapeutic, and I will see you on the next video. You guys had a great time, I think, and I'm out of here.